Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to generate an image on Adobe Express with AI. So what you're going to need to do is just go to adobeexpress.com or new.express.adobe.com. And then if you don't have an account, obviously just create one. You can create one with Google or Apple or whatever you want to use to create the account. And then once you're inside, you can just click on Generate with AI, or you can click on Generative AI. So I'll just create on Generate with AI for now. And then I want to generate an image. So I'll just click on Generate Image. You can also remove objects, insert objects, generate templates, and text effects. So I'll just click on Generate Image. And once I'm inside the project, I'm going to be asked to enter a prompt here. So I'll just enter, for example, a bee with a hat delivering food, for example. I don't know, that was kind of random. But you can also enter the style over here and composition. You can just like add reference images if you want to like make this as customized as possible. And you can also choose the content type. So you can change it from a photo to graphic to art. I'll just keep it at auto and see what Adobe Express's AI thinks is best. And you can also choose the style. So I'll choose digital art, for example, and then I will click on generate. Let's see what we come up with. Okay, so I have this bee right here and it's got the hat and it's delivering which looks like uh beeswax or food. Well, yeah, looks like uh some bee food. But yeah, it generates 4 images for you and they all look pretty good, to be honest. So quite happy with these. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope that video was helpful.